Hello, today we do American cookies.
The ingredients are 1 egg,
1 yolk,
100 grams of white sugar,
170 grams of butter,
15 grams of cocoa,
1 teaspoon of salt,
Two-
and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract,
216 grams of flour,
1 teaspoon of baking powder,
115 grams of chocolate chips,
100 grams of white chocolate chips, and 220 grams of brown sugar. Now we mix the brown sugar,
the white sugar, and the butter.
and now we mix. Now we break the eggs. Now we break the eggs. Now we add the eggs. And the vanilla extract.
A whipped meat.
Now we side the flour, the baking powder, the cocoa, and the salt.
Now I size the cocoa. And the salt.
And now we mix the flour. Now we add the chocolate chips. And we mix.
Now we put the preparation on fridge.
50 or 20 minutes. Now we do both with the preparation. Now we bake the preparation 50 minutes
At 117 degrees.
And there are the cookies.
Thank you, bye bye.